go. There's Pipeline, Davidson's Delight, but I'm going to head over there. Squirrel Black on the mountain. Big beach. She's on the train. Here we go. Well, welcome to probably the most isolated black diamond on the entire mountain, Hurtzwinkle's Delight. No one has been down here yet, and it's like 12 in the day, 12 p.m. because it's so far away. Like, you have to hop on a long cat track, and it's not really worth it for the fall line. And so no one actually skis down here, and so I get fresh tracks, which is great. Before we start, that's over there on that ridge line. That's Raven, I think. We might go check that out at a later date. But for now, I get fresh tracks on Hurtzwinkle's Delight. Oh wow, this is really nice. Just to get some powder turns in. After the powder everywhere else on the mountain is gone. It's actually a bit tight in here. Wow. I'm positively surprised that this is quite steep, despite being seemingly in the middle of nowhere. It is actually pretty steep. The other thing is, Hurtzwinkle's Delight is a very new run. It was only introduced in like 2019, 2020. Ooh, that's not nice. That's not nice at all. Alright. Well, it's suddenly become very unfriendly at this little bottom bit here, but that whole section up the top was actually really nice. I mean, you could do all these runs. You could do Gong Show, you know, Kathmandu, Uncle Buck, but no one has been down here, so we'll take fresh tracks. And really, where else do you get fresh tracks at 12 p.m? Let me know in the comments, because I don't think there's a single other place where you can still get fresh tracks. I thought at least one person would have been down here, but no. It's actually, I think it's much steeper than Pipeline or Davidson's Delight, actually. It is quite steep there. Let me just look at it. So, yeah, it definitely is, actually. That's Davidson's Delight, that's Pipeline. And then that's Hurtzwinkle's Delight. That's actually a lot steeper than both of those. That's a hidden gem, that's what that is. That's #1 on the hidden gem list. That's really good.